Hot water wakes your system and instantly relaxes your digestive muscles.
Energy drinks hit your heart like a shock, speeding up your pulse in seconds. Fast food slows everything. Your gut struggles, and digestion becomes harder.
No sleep scrambles your brain. Neural signals start breaking down instantly.
Green tea releases antioxidants that clean your system from the inside. Heavy lifting tears your muscle fibers, so they can rebuild stronger.
Even walking melts fat, your cells shrink, and your body cleans up inside.